Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable automatic downloads on Google Chrome. If Chrome is downloading files automatically without asking, or if you want to allow certain downloads without confirmation, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Downloads. Under the Downloads section, look for the setting that says Open certain file types automatically after downloading. Simply click the Delete button next to it. Keep in mind, while this feature is very convenient, it's essential to be cautious about which files you automatically open. Only enable Auto Open for files you trust. Automatically opening files from untrusted sources could potentially expose your system to security risks. Next, we need to download a file of the type you want to automatically open. For example, let's say you want an image file to open automatically. Download any image file to get started. Once the download is complete, you will see the downloaded file in the Download section, which is located to the right of the address bar. Now right-click on the file you just downloaded in the Downloads tray. Select Always Open Files of this type. This tells Chrome to automatically open all future downloads of this file type without you having to manually open them every time. And that's it. From now on, every time you download a file of that type, Chrome will open it automatically without any extra steps on your part. But what if you want to disable this feature or change it later on? No problem. Let me show you how to manage your settings. Under the Download section, look for the setting that says Open certain file types automatically after downloading. Simply click the Delete button next to it. That's all for today's tutorial on automatically opening downloaded files in Chrome. We hope you found it helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.